This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change your bank deposit account in Honeybook. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or creative professional, managing your finances efficiently is key to running a smooth operation. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to update your bank deposit information, ensuring that payments are directed to the correct account without any hiccups. To get started, first open Honeybook and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll find your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. What you want to do next is select Company Settings. This section is where you can manage all the key details related to your business profile within Honeybook. Now that you're in the company settings, take a look at the tabs available. You should see a tab titled Bank Details. Click on that. This tab is crucial as it houses all the information regarding the bank account where your payments are deposited. In this section, you'll see your current bank account details listed clearly. The next step is to change these details. Look for a button or link that says Edit or Change Bank Account. Click on it, and this will guide you to a new page where you can input your updated banking information. This is a critical step, so make sure you have your new banking details ready, including the account number and routing number. Double check these details as you enter them to avoid any errors that could delay your payments. If you're unsure about where to find your account number and routing number, they are typically available on your checks or through your online banking portal. The routing number is usually a 9-digit code, while the account number can vary in length. Ensuring these are entered correctly in Honeybook will ensure a seamless transition and that your deposits are directed to the right place. Once you've entered the new details, review everything one more time, confirm that all the numbers are correct and that there aren't any typos. After you're confident that everything is accurate, proceed to save your changes. Honeybook may prompt you for verification, so be prepared to complete any additional security steps they require. And there you have it. Your bank deposit account in Honeybook is now updated. This simple change ensures that your payments will continue to flow smoothly into your new account. Remember, staying on top of these details not only helps you manage your funds better, but also enhances your overall business operations. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials on how to get the most out of Honeybook. Thanks for watching and see you next time.